Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the time on your BMW. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, the problem with living in the United States, we have the daylight saving time, and not all cars have automatic time adjustment, and you have to move the time forward and to move the time backwards. So this is how you change the time on your BMW. I have 2014 BMW M6. I will show it to you when I come back. In order to change the time on your BMW, first you have to turn on the car. Just press the start button. You don't have to start the engine, just turn the car on so you can access the main menu interface. How did you get there? This is how you do it. Go to the center console, and there are like 5 buttons here. Most BMW have the same center console. I have the M version, so yeah, I got the M badge and all that stuff. But anyway, you want to click the menu, and it will take you to the menu interface. And then this is how you go up and down. Just turn the knob. So you want to go all the way down to settings. Click on it. Yeah, you can click this. Okay, click, and then you can go all the way to time and date. That's how you adjust the time and date. I set it up to automatic, so during daylight saving day it will adjust the time, move it back or move it forward. So you can also turn it off, and then if you want to do that, you can change the time zone. I live in the East Coast, so I can do that. And this is how you change the time. You click on this, and then this is how you can change the time up or down. And then after you're done with it, you want to go to click again to access the minute. Again you can adjust it up and down. And again, once you're done with it, just click it again until the orange color disappear, and then you can move to time format. You can click on it. You can pick 24-hour format or 12-hour format. If you live in Europe or Asia, they like this 24-hour format. So once you're done, you can go back to you can go back and forth like left and right, so you can control everything here. And then you can go to date to change the date. The same thing, just click on it and then change it until the orange color disappeared, and you're good. And you can also change the date format. So I'm gonna go back and set it back. I'm gonna set the automatic time setting back on, so it will adjust automatically. Yeah, the time now is 4:18 in Virginia. So anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.